Hello, dear students. The following activity is our lesson plan for learning the subject verbal tense simple past. The first step is to observe the following video. This is the link. Our lesson plan have a time of 40 minutes. But this activity have a time 10 minutes. Our skill is listening. In this video, there it is explained the structure of the negative interrogative and affirmative sentence. Also, the rules grammatical of the regular and irregular verbs. Remember that simple past is talking about something that happened. For example, with a regular verb, I worked very hard last week. With the irregular verb, I went to the gym last week. Our second activity is to learn the skill listening and reading. This activity have a time 15 minutes. And the next activity is go to the following link. This is the link. This is the audio for listening. And look up in alphabet soup the verbs in simple. So, the students must listen the audio and afterward they must look up in alphabet soup the verbs, the irregulars and regular verbs, but in simple past. And finally, the students must classify the verbs that found there in regular verbs and irregular verbs. Remember, the irregular verbs finish in ed. For example, in present, worked. In past, worked. I add ed for the simple past. But irregular verbs change totally. For example, the verb go. In present is go. In past is went. Okay. For finish our worksheet, we go to learn the skill writing and speaking. This activity have 15 minutes. Write the past simple of these verbs. For example, this is the present of the verbs. In the activity say the student must fill gaps with the respective verb but in simple past. And And for the finish the activity is now you must do a recording along with the correct pronunciation of the prior activity, simple past of the verbs. The student must talking about the with the correct pronunciation of the verbs in simple past. Here is an example. How do you pronounce the verbs? Bye.